Hey everybody, we are multiplying with the area model. We're going to do 32 times 48. So if you have this worksheet, you can use the color coding and the boxes to help you, and it can help you kind of self-check as you go. If you don't have it, I'll show you how to just draw a box over here, but you can also go to the description to get these. So we are going to draw a box that's 2 across, 1, 2, and 2 down, 1, 2. And the reason we're doing that is because across the top we're going to put 32, and that's 2 digits. So it's 32. If it was like 325, we would do another one because it would be 325. So 32 would be 1, 2 digits. And then this number is going to go down. So we've already got one here for the 4, and then we did one more layer for the 8. So 2 by 2, because it's 2 digits by 2 digits. So across the top, I'm going to take 32 and put it into expanded form. And if you have this, the colors can help you if you feel stuck. This is green. These little boxes are green. So I'm going to put the 3 here. And that 3 is in the tens place, so it's really worth 30. And then the 2 here. So that's my first number, is 32. And on a different paper, like just a blank paper, it would look like that. And then we're going to put the 48 down the bottom. So the 4 is orange, and it really is a 40, and then the 8. So that's what that looks like. Okay. Now, really what we did here is we just set it up so that all the digits can multiply against each other, because there's a box for each multiplication to happen. So you're going to do 4 multiplication problems. We are taking the 30 of this first, I like to think of it as a team. 32 is a team against 48. So we're taking the 30 first, just the 30, and we're going to multiply it against 40 and 8. So 30 times 40 and 30 times 8. Then the 30 is done, and we just do the 2. And then we're going to do 2 times 40 and 2 times 8. 2 times 40 and 2 times 8. So the 30 multiplies against both of them, and the 2 multiplies against both of them. This is for the 30, that's for the 2. And if you get stuck, you can use that color coding just to help guide you back in to see, wait, which one am I multiplying here? So this first box here, and it doesn't actually matter what order you do them in, but I'm going to do this one first. This one is 30, because I'm in the 30 column. I'm not in the 2, I'm in the 30, times 4. 30 times 4 goes here. And to do that, I'm going to forget about the zeros and just multiply 3 times 4, and then I'll add the zeros back in. So 3 times 4 is 12. And I'm going to put 2 zeros in. And I'm sorry, there's not an extra box there. I'll make sure I fix that on here for you. So 3 times 4 is 12, and then we have our 2 zeros. Okay. Now we're going to come down and do 30 times 8. So again, forget about the 0. We're just going to do 3 times 8 and put that 0 back in. 3 times 8 is 24. And now we'll put a 0. So now the 30 is done. We did 30 times 4 and 30 times 8. So basically this right here is 30 times 48. And now we're just going to come over here and do the 2. To do this one, we're going to do 2 times 40. So 2 times 4, and then just stick a 0 on the end. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 0 is 80. And then we'll just come down and do 2 times 8, which is 16. So in this column, we did 2 times 48. 2 times 40, 2 times 8. In this column, we did 3 times 48. Total, we did 32 times 48. So the last step is just to add them all together. Now you can use the boxes if you want. If they're too small for you and you want to use a whiteboard, you could do that instead. But we're just going to go ahead and add these 4 numbers together. So we have 1,200, or 1,200. We have 80, 240, and 16. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. We're going to carry right there. 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. And then 1 plus nothing is 1. So we got 1,536. And let me scooch that up for you.